Ever judge a book by its cover? How about a video by its title? Yes, you did, didn't you? Naughty, naughty. Welcome to the tantalizing world of video titles. The first impression, the make or break, the hook, line, and sinker. The title of your video is the ultimate bait to reel in those curious viewers. But remember, it's not just about being catchy or clickbaity. It's about striking that perfect balance between intrigue and information. After all, a viewer deceived is a viewer lost. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Crafting a compelling title is an art form, one that requires a keen understanding of your content and your audience. Your title should accurately reflect the essence of your video. It's like a window into the soul of your content, offering a sneak peek of the journey that awaits the viewer. But here's the catch. An accurate title alone won't cut it. You need your title to be searchable, to pop up when potential viewers are surfing the vast ocean of content that is YouTube. And how do you achieve that? By incorporating relevant keywords, of course. Keywords are like little breadcrumbs leading viewers to your video. They're what connect the dots between what viewers are searching for and the content you're offering. And effective use of keywords can significantly improve the searchability of your video. But remember, stuffing your title with keywords won't do you any good. The key is to use them judiciously, naturally weaving them into your title. Make it sound organic, not forced. Remember, your viewers are smart cookies. They can smell keyword spamming from a mile away. So let's wrap this up. A compelling title is one that accurately reflects your content, is interesting enough to pique curiosity, and has the right keywords to improve searchability. Think of it as a well-crafted invitation, enticing viewers to step into the world of your content. Remember, folks, a title without substance is like a sandwich without filling. It's just bread. So let's make sure your video titles are more than just bread, shall we? Onwards to the next scene. Ever clicked on a video because the thumbnail looked like a Picasso painting? I know I have. Thumbnails, my friends, are the unsung heroes of YouTube. They're the billboards of the information superhighway, the siren's call in a sea of endless content. A well-crafted thumbnail is a visual appetizer, a tantalizing teaser that beckons the viewer into the world of your video. It's no small task, but it's one that can make or break your video's success. To make them work, you need two things: high-quality images and readable text. Think of thumbnails as the cover of a book. People do judge a book by its cover, and the same goes for your video. A clear, intriguing image can pique curiosity, and a catchy title can seal the deal. So, next time you upload a video, put some extra thought into your thumbnail. Remember, your thumbnail is the window to your video's soul. Make it count! Ever played the game of tag? Well, YouTube's got its own version. Imagine a world where your videos are the players and tags are the it. To make your content shine in this sea of videos, play the tag game wisely. Tags are like breadcrumbs leading viewers to your content. They help YouTube understand what your video is about and where it should appear in search results. Think of them as the secret ingredients that spice up your video's visibility. So, how do you play this tag game? Start by adding relevant tags to your videos. Make sure they accurately describe your content, but don't stop there. Mix it up. Use a blend of broad and specific tags related to your video topic. Broad tags cast a wide net, capturing a larger, albeit more generic, audience. Specific tags, on the other hand, reel in the niche viewers, those truly interested in your content. Tagging, it's not just for kids on the playground anymore. Ever put a square peg in a round hole? Yeah, it doesn't work in YouTube either. When it comes to categorizing your videos, it's crucial to get it right. Your video category is like a homing beacon signaling to YouTube's algorithm where to place your content. If you misplace this beacon, you'll find your video lost in a sea of unrelated content, struggling for views. Choosing the right category is like choosing the right neighborhood for your video. You want it to be around similar content, where it's more likely to be discovered by viewers who are already interested in what you have to offer. It's like moving into a neighborhood full of foodies when you're running a cooking channel. It's simply the smart thing to do. But the organization doesn't stop at categories. Oh no, we're just getting started. Playlists are your secret weapon in the battle for viewer engagement. You see, playlists are like the guided tours of your YouTube channel. They lead your viewers from one video to another, keeping them on your channel longer and increasing your overall watch time. Think of it this way. If your videos are the stars, then your playlists are the constellations. They connect related content, creating a bigger picture that keeps viewers engaged and wanting more. So whether it's a series on home renovations, a collection of your best comedic sketches, or a selection of your most intense gaming moments, playlists help your viewers see the bigger picture and appreciate the full range of your content. But remember, like any good tour guide, your playlists need to be well organized and easy to follow. Nobody wants to jump from a video on baking a cake to one on car maintenance. It's jarring and, frankly, a little confusing. So keep it relevant, keep it organized, and keep your viewers engaged. And there you have it. The power of the right category and playlist. It's all about creating an organized, navigable experience that keeps your viewers hooked and coming back for more. So take the time, do the work, and see the benefits roll in. Remember, a well-organized channel is like a well-organized closet. You can actually find what you're looking for. Ever forget to feed your pet goldfish? Yeah, viewers are like goldfish. Now, we're not saying your viewers have a 3-second memory, but in the vast ocean of content, it's easy for them to swim away if you're not consistently serving up tasty video morsels. Publishing consistently is like ringing the dinner bell for your audience. It's a signal that says, hey, there's fresh content over here. It helps to build a sense of routine, a rhythm that viewers can sync their watches to. And when viewers know when to expect new content, they're more likely to return. That's right, consistency is the key to building trust and loyalty with your audience. But remember, consistency isn't just about frequency, it's also about quality. Consistent quality shows viewers that you're committed to providing value with every video. So, don't just post for the sake of posting, make every video count. Consistency, because nobody likes a flaky YouTuber. Ever share a secret with a friend? Well, do the same with your videos. Think of your content as that juicy piece of gossip you can't wait to dish out. What's the best platform to spill the beans? Social media, of course. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even LinkedIn can be your best allies in spreading the word about your content. You can also consider forums and online communities related to your video topic. You're likely to find like-minded individuals there who will appreciate your content and might even share it further. And hey, don't be shy about asking your viewers to share your videos. After all, who doesn't love a good recommendation from a friend? Remember, the more you share, the more views you stand to gain. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It just keeps getting bigger and bigger. So don't keep your videos a secret. Share them with the world, because sharing is caring, folks. Especially when it comes to your YouTube content. Ever talk to a wall? Yeah, viewers don't like that either. Imagine your viewers as guests at a party. They've shown up, they're interested, and they're ready for some interaction. So don't be a dull host. Get into the comment section and start mingling. Respond to their thoughts, answer their questions, laugh at their jokes. Show them that you're not just a content machine, but a real person who values their input. And don't just wait for them to start the conversation. Ask for their opinions, their ideas, their feedback. Make them feel like they're part of the creative process. This not only builds a sense of community around your channel, but also gives you valuable insight into what your viewers want. Remember, engagement is the key to building a loyal audience. It's a two-way street, and it's your job to keep the traffic flowing. Engagement, because nobody likes a one-sided conversation. Ever wish for a magic wand to keep viewers watching? Well, end screens and cards are your magic spells. These nifty tools are like the breadcrumbs of your YouTube channel, leading viewers from one video to another with ease. Imagine end screens as your channel's closing credits. They pop up in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video, providing clickable links to your other content. It's like saying, hey, if you like that, you're going to love this. Now let's talk about cards. These are the little pop-up suggestions that appear during your video, subtly nudging viewers towards more of your content. They're like those friendly neighborhood signposts, only virtual and a lot more fun. By promoting related videos, playlists, or even your other channels, end screens and cards work in tandem to keep your viewers engaged, ensuring they remain in your magical world of content for longer. End screens and cards, your secret weapons for viewer retention.